everybody, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare a quick recipe of mango salsa. So the ingredients for this dish are Guys, wasn't this recipe quick and amazing? And also so yummy. Before the mangoes are out of the market, go fetch some, guys. Also, you can use this as a dip, as a filling, or just as a salad. Why don't you go and try it quickly? Do let me know your feedback in comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube, as it is free of cost. Bye bye guys, until next time.